I test and develop engines for cars, boats and planes. I wanted a break from classroom education to be more self-sufficient, and I knew that my skills suited a more hands-on role. I did motocross from an early age and Cosworth sponsored me. My family loved Cosworth as well, so when I saw the apprenticeship opportunity I applied. I work on various projects here, like testing the Aston Martin Valkyrie engine a lot harder than anyone else will ever drive it. There are many technical challenges with engine development, however I love thinking on my feet and problem solving. I've learnt so much from the team. If you are a thrill seeker and a petrol head, my job is perfect. I would tell younger people not to worry. I applied for a lot of apprenticeships and I found my dream role, so don't give up, keep trying.